country people, Nigerians, we dey waka go polling units to go vote for who go be the next set of leaders for our country. For example, the president, who go be the next governor for any state, or senator, or house of rep. And to do that one, you need your PVC, very vital document to be able to participate for any election inside this country. Many Nigerians, they go get this PVC, but they go keep am for house. On the day of election, they go sit down and no go vote. For 2019 election, over 84 million Nigerians now registered to vote for INEC office. Less than 30 million now come out to participate for that election. Wetin that one tell you? Just get your PVC, keep am for house, or you just use am till they open the bank account as ID card. No, your PVC na for you to vote for election. Today, we dey go meet one sabi join body wey their work on top this matter to fix this country strong well well. I dey talk about SERAP, Socio-Economic Right and Accountability Project, and we go talk with the Deputy Director wey be Kóláwolé Olúwádàre. SERAP, as we always dey talk am, many people dey always hear una name, and when they hear una name, most times say SERAP don go court, SERAP don go court, SERAP don go court. So we know say this issue of election PVC deadline for INEC case dey for court, so we no go decide wetin wan happen for court, but we just wan know wetin be the prayer and those things wey una even dey ask for wey make una go court in the first place.
That time wey we go court na May 2022. That time INEC talk say they go end that online registration for the end of May that time, and say this continuous voter registration they go end am for end of June. Now we come right to INEC say dem no see as people plenty wey dey register, so make dem allow people see the register go now, and talk say the law talk say make dem register. INEC no hear, then we go court that time, go Federal Court Lagos. So now don first write them before we write them, now we dey write them. Now we come go Federal Court Lagos, come find the case, but dem come transfer the case go Abuja. And wetin we find for the case na this say make INEC make dem see the register people online, and make dem see the register people physically, which is the continuous voter registration. On top say people plenty wey never register, and number two, say the law allow make people still register. Wetin come dey why INEC come dey rush? Then our lawyer come find wetin they call ex parte interim application. Say you know say when court dey decide that matter, e fit take time small. Make time no pass, so make the 30th of June no pass, so make the election sef no pass. Make court determine this matter first. Make INEC just hold on first. Na im that one court grant. Court don grant am say before I determine this one wey dey talk, make INEC hold im hand first. Make they never end that thing. Na wetin we dey ask for the court be that. So wetin we dey ask for be say make INEC never close that continuous voter registration. Make dem allow people see the register well until say whether you reach that 90 days or say a lot of Nigerians don't register. Now why do they don't?
Registrations, because they call them continuous voters registration, it's supposed to get deadline at all.
It's supposed to get deadline. It's supposed to get deadline.
Okay. So if it's supposed to get deadline, say I get justification for say they put deadline.
The matter it deep past that one. You know, say this election what they do, it get different law with the regulator, but we mention two. One will be passed, then the Constitution, 1999 Constitution. The second one, which they call Electoral Act, the 2022 where they amend. Now those two laws, principally, now they guide this election and what they do. And for Electoral Act, Section 9, Subsection 6, it talk about, say continuous voter registration must to end, but it no go end less than 90 days before the election. So it give INEC power. Make it more than 90 days, but it must not be shorter. It no supposed short past 90 days. And don't forget that people when they do this law, they get sense, they know what they do. And when they make this law, don't forget say INEC said it. Waiting they do when they do that law, you see, everything where INEC need do before the election, make that 90 days reach, make them fit one. And which INEC want do? Then go look to the people who register. Then go check double registration, then come out. Which they call invalid registration. They will bring out the voter register, display them for all the centers around Nigeria. People go do correction, check their name. They go print PVC, they go distribute them. But no, that 90 days is enough to do all those things. And when we calculate, between now and February, when election happen 2023, e no pass 90 days.
So
even if INEC wan do better in the interest of the people, if this thing go reach October, e no bad now. From October to February, even past 90 days. So wetin we come see wey be the problem be say INEC never, they no get wetin they call logistics. They no prepare well for the kind crowd wey they see. If you go INEC website, as at 30th May this year, INEC itself talk say na 6.5 million Nigerians don comot register. And out of that 6.5 million Nigerians register during the 4.5 million na youth between the age of 18 to 35. You no get wetin that one dey talk. Say youth, people, youth particularly, they don't show interest when they register. And don't forget say the same electoral act and the constitution give INEC the power. Make they do wetin they call voter education. Make they tell people say come out, come register, come vote. How be say INEC when they tell people make they come out, come register, come vote? Now you want close door as it be. You suppose to know people register, people plenty. As people don't come out, you see when they finish the primary for all the political parties, people show interest, they register more. No be our business to talk wetin cost people when they don't come out since 1 year with that thing, wey the registration on dey. But now when they don't come out, INEC suppose allow them make they register, make no stop them. But wetin we see be say INEC no prepare for the kind crowd wey they see. Na im be like say e cause all this wey they wan do, wey they wan rush to am. So no be say INEC no get, and you know they talk say make INEC just leave am, make we register till February the election come. No, wetin we dey talk be say at least make dem leave am. If e reach October, if dem give 3 or 4 months, e no bad now.
Still pass 90 days.
E still pass 90 days. And even if dem no be number 2, no be only when dem do that one. Make dem come provide machine wey plenty for where people dey register. Make dem put people wey dey train well, where people wan register, so that people can register and make dem collect their PVC. You know say for every center assign dem dey talk. Na 3 kind crowd dey where they register. People wey come register, wey don do the pre-registration online, wey come do the continuous voter registration. People wey wan collect their PVC dey there. Then people wey wan do correction, all those things. INEC dey talk say those people wey dey do correction no suppose come. Say some of them no suppose come. Maybe they suppose do am online. If people dey come, it means say that INEC responsibility to educate people. E never reach. E never reach. If really dem no suppose dey there. Then make we even ask ourselves this question: why INEC no fit bring the PVC give person as dem do am? That one na one. Another one, wetin dey make people stay for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours for where they wan register? We all dey see the video now. Wey dem dey pass on, wey people dey some people dey really protest, they no get chance to register. Now all these things wey INEC suppose do be this. No be say make dem dey rush. Let's say dem wan rush carry the thing comot ground, make people no register.
People dey talk say INEC they deliberately they make am hard for people. Wetin you think say they really make am dey hard for people to get PVC? One thing, na because say Nigerians no ready, like you talk that time, or na because say the whole thing for the system no encouraging INEC enough to make am dey faster like you dey talk.
I don't believe say INEC dey do on purpose as you go dey talk am. Dem no dey do am deliberately. Say make people no register. INEC sef no dey prepare for the kind crowd wey dem dey see. And no be bad thing. But as INEC don see say people comot, wetin INEC suppose do now? As you don see people comot, INEC suppose adjust itself. Make dem bring out more machines to do this thing. Make dem bring people to all these centers wey people take vote. And we know say we dey see this thing for wetin they call urban centers, places like Lagos, all those big cities. People dey comot, particularly youth, dey comot say they wan register. INEC no just dey prepared na wetin dey cause all these things. And INEC can still do it. Let's get time. So if they leave this thing for another 3-4 months and make them pump money, make them pump machine out, make them put their staff there. Staff, you know, now one thing, when you bring machine come. Now another thing, when you bring staff. Now another thing, when you bring staff where you don't train. Now that thing. So make them bring machine where plenty. Make them bring their staff where plenty. And make them bring staff where they don't train to handle the machine and to handle the people. Not be staff where go dey vex some people. We go dey talk to them anyhow. Nobody does that. I said they talk and they say some staff they collect money say for them now. You know supposed to be. Now what is INEC supposed to be that? And if you look the figure where you read now, even 84 million still small for people who register. How much more for 29 million wey vote? It too small. For country like Nigeria where you pass 200 million, if you reach 100 million, 120 million, na bad thing. No go tell INEC dey talk with that, music go come up with them come vote. And I say when people vote, now they fit chook mouth say, now we vote this person. But for country of 200 million, over 200 million, 29 million, they choose leader. You fit also na democracy, but if you look at well, that democracy, that maths, balance.
Make I just do small breakdown. For 2015, total registered voters na 67 million plus. Total number of accredited voters for the election of 2015 na 31 million plus. Then total number of vote cast after those were accredited na 31 million na 29 million na cast vote after the 31 million don't do accreditation. You look the number of those who really go vote even after the accreditation, 29 million compared to 67 million registered voters. Although, based on mathematics, they talk about that saying the total number of people who come out for the election are about 47% of the registered voters. So, coming to 2019, then the record don't increase. We get 84 million registered voters, 84 plus. Total number of those who come outside for accreditation for that election 2019 now, 29,364,209 voters. Now come out for accreditation. And you know, see, after accreditation, I'm voting with the next thing. Even at that close range of time, those who come outside come vote after accreditation are just 28,614,190 voters. Then the percentage of total will come out that day compared to the register for 2019 now 35.66%. So you go expect say by 2015, coming to 2019, the thing will increase. But we discover saying it go down, it not increase. And with this turnout, what do you think say it will happen for this 2023 election? Any assurance, especially with the old ginger with the ground, any assurance they say people will come out to vote by 2023 to beat this downward record we already get?
You see, this is where we look at. We think they cause them. When you they call them voter apathy. Say people know they come out vote. But even that voter apathy, na symptom of something way big pass. Now say people don't trust government. If people don't trust government, don't forget say the electoral process self na part of government. They don't trust government for 4 years when they take rule them 4 or 8 years. They don't go fit trust government again for that 1 year when they want to election. I would say they cause them that. And when they cause that distrust, it plenty. So if we never tackle that one, as you figure when you read now, as you see, say 67 million, 9 common register for 2015. As you see the figure move to 84 million, a lot of things cause them as the figure jump. People will never 18 that time, not 18. Maybe the voter education where they do, maybe, I don't know, maybe that 60 million go to the 4 million. But as you can see, say the people will register, will vote, it never hit 30 million for both 2015 and 2019. So we go see say it be like say people they get interest, but the interest they don't finish them. It be like a sway start race, they don't finish the race. So wetin government supposed to do, as I don't talk wetin cause am now. Now say make government they do wetin dem they talk, no be talk make you no do. As they talk and make dem do am. And don't forget say when government won't talk, then they talk law. Wetin the law constitution say they go do. Light, water, security, road, all those things, then they talk. So it dey law. No be say wetin government they talk no good. But when they come make government do, at that time, government no they do. Now wetin they cause that particular.
Wetin you fit tell that average youth, or even because I notice say many Nigerians too we don't old past 18 years. In fact, some don't reach 30 years, we never still register plenty well. Maybe say maybe now 1 or 2 things will happen and make them come outside say they won't go register. Wetin you fit tell them so that it will be say not just to register, but also to carry that PVC, go polling unit on election day and vote. Because even at the 84 million compared to the 29 million we vote, that's still very terrible gap. So wetin will make person get in PVC and still carry am into the go polling unit, go vote.
Now part of this thing where SERAP, they talk since with that, and other organizations, people supposed to realize in democracy, no be only to vote. To vote for democracy at the beginning, and I say you want you put water fire, no be net food don't do now, you go see actions. Make them on the relate to government, when we they call old government accountable for the next 4 years, when election come. When people understand this one, they come out and vote. They understand, say, now what I do today will determine what will happen in the next 4 years. But people don't they feel, and that feeling are wrong. And get some politicians wey dey push that narrative sef. Say wetin dem vote no dey matter. And no people dem vote sef, no wetin dem like dem do there for 4 years. So when people know say no be only to vote, but as e get power to say control wetin go happen in the next 4 years, people go come, e go affect the kind of people wey go come out, come register and make dem vote. E dey very important. But wetin we dey see dey happen be say government dey always spend money, even INEC, National Organization Agency and co dey spend money, make dem tell people make dem collect their PVC, come register. Na good thing. But government come need demonstrate to them for the next 4 years. Say we dey lis ten to you, wetin you talk, na we dey hear, na we dey do. Na that one go encourage more people, make dem come out for the next 4 years, make dem register and make dem come vote. But government go just do this thing, dem go pump money for INEC, dem go do all this radio announcement, do all these things, make people come register. After dem vote, government go do wetin dem like. People go come look and say, abeg, why I vote sef? Dem no go hear wetin I go do. But make people also understand, I don talk about the government, make people now come understand say, dem no fit just keep quiet. If you no vote, even the man to talk for the next 4 years, you no get mouth. You know say dem talk say you no dey there, you dey ask how dem take distribute am. So people suppose to understand this one na democracy. You suppose come out, come choose who go rule una. And when they talk ruling, not be only president, we dey talk governors, National Assembly, House of Assembly, dem plenty. And then we go chook mouth for wetin happen for that next 4 years. So make people understand, na their duty, they call am right, but na also duty under the constitution, to register, to vote, and to hold government accountable. And all of us must do this one.
We no go talk too much. I hope say you sef don know say where we dey go now talk this series na to make sure say your PVC amount and how your PVC go take amount, not be to use am as ID card, not be to use am to go register for NIN or SIM registration, not be to use am to go open bank account, na to carry am go polling unit on election day and vote. And as Oga Kola talk, vote and hold government accountable. We go see una again on top the next episode of this series. And before we go, you know say na bad behavior if I no tell Oga thank you for the time wey he give us for this interview. And Oga Kola, I say thank you, and I hope say if we knock your door again next time, you can enter.
I'm open, no be INEC.